Tinnito Pen is being promoted as a handheld device that can supposedly stop ringing ears in seconds using nerve stimulation technology. But the real question is whether it actually works or just sounds too good to be true. The product is typically marketed as a microelectric or neuromuscular stimulation pen that you place behind your ear to calm overactive nerves and instantly reduce tinnitus. Now, the idea behind this isn't completely fake. Certain therapies, like nerve stimulation or sound therapy, are being researched for tinnitus, and some medical devices aim to reduce symptoms over time. However, here's the key issue. There is no strong clinical evidence showing that a simple handheld pen device can stop tinnitus instantly or consistently. Most of the claims, like silencing ringing in seconds, come directly from promotional pages, not independent medical studies. There are also several red flags in how it's sold. The product uses bold promises like off button for tinnitus, heavy discounts, and highly positive testimonials. Common patterns seen in overhyped or dropship health gadgets. Looking at real-world discussions, skepticism is high. There currently is no cure for tinnitus. Others point out that most devices only mask or manage symptoms, not eliminate the condition entirely. User expectations can also be misleading. While some people might feel temporary relief, possibly from vibration or placebo effects, there's no reliable proof of long-term or consistent results. It's also important to understand that tinnitus is complex. It's often linked to hearing loss, nerve activity, or brain processing, and real treatments usually involve sound therapy, hearing aids, or professional care, not instant fix gadgets. So, does a Tinnito Pen stop ringing ears in seconds? It might provide temporary sensation or mild relief at best, but the core claims are likely exaggerated. The bottom line is that Tinnito Pen appears to be an overhyped device with little scientific backing behind its instant relief promises, so it's best to approach with caution. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.